Frontier Spill Safe Pallets are made of 100% polyethylene material which is anti-rust, anti-corrosion, anti-ultraviolet, and are available in different sump capacities. These spill pallets are available in 2-drum and 4-drum options with heights of 150 mm and 300 mm with capacity ranging from 50 liters to 225 liters. Depending upon its size, spill-safe pallets can be accessed 2 ways or 4 ways with forklifts. Gratings are made from super tough polyethylene and are not only lightweight but extremely strong too. Double-sided grating with option of recessed rings helps keep drums in place. Easy lift handles and grating helps to pick up the gratings without any effort. Grating is easily removed for inspection or cleanup. The grating sits neatly into the spill pallet and is supported equally from all sides. Optional heavy-duty ramp quickly attaches to the spill pallet and can be used to load or unload drums without the use of forklifts or other equipment. Low-profile 150 mm height keeps drum tops lower to the ground and makes pouring or dispensing into the funnel safer and easier for the operators. Drainage hole is provided in the pallet should the liquid need to be recycled. Pallets can be nested by removing the grating from each unit. Each spill container fits into the other, greatly reducing the overall height of the stack and making it possible to ship large quantities together. Once nesting is complete, grating is placed on top of the pallets and safely secured to be carried away by forklifts. Frontier Spill Safe Pallets, made from C6-hexene polymer, giving them exceptional strength and chemical resistance, are your ideal companion for liquid storage safety.